Children, today we will study about the life process, excretion. Organisms produce waste products in their body as byproducts of metabolic activities. These are toxic and have to be removed out. Excretion is a process of removal of toxic waste from the body of organisms. Excretory waste in the animals are mainly nitrogenous products like urea, uric acid, ammonia, etc. Unicellular organisms remove waste by simple diffusion from their body surface to the surrounding environment, while multicellular organisms have specialized organs. Excretion in human beings is carried out by excretory system. Excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, a urinary bladder and urethra. Kidney is a bean-shaped organ located in the abdomen in the either side of the backbone. It is the main filtration organ. It is made up of millions of filtration units called nephron. The nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. It consists of a cup-shaped structure called Bowman's capsule, which contains tuft of blood capillaries called glomerulus. The Bowman's capsule is very thin and is selectively permeable. It extends into the coil loop-like structure called renal tubule. This renal tubule consists of proximal convoluted tubule or PCT, Henel's loop and distal convoluted tubule called DCT. The filtration of blood starts in the Bowman's capsule. The afferent artery brings urea-rich blood from the liver into the Bowman's capsule. This filters the urea along with water into the renal tubule. The renal tubule is in close proximity with network of blood capillaries. The filtrate moves through the renal tubule. Many substances like amino acid, glucose, salts are also present in the filtrate. These are reabsorbed along with water in the Henel's loop. The amount of water reabsorbed depends upon the water present in the body. These are absorbed into the blood capillaries and moves back to the heart. The filtrate is now collected by collecting duct. Thus, all such nephrons drain the filtrate into the collecting duct and carries it to the ureter. A pair of ureter connects the two kidney to the urinary bladder. It is the muscular structure which collects the urine and stores it until it is passed out by urethra. Now, excretion in plants, however, does not consist of specialized organs. Plants also produce excretory waste that has to be removed out, either along with the leaf fall or as gums and resins, latex that are stored in specialized tissues or glands. They even remove out waste from the roots into the soil. Some plants remove waste as calcium oxalate and calcium carbonate crystals that are stored in the plant cells. They even store waste in old xylem as in the bark tissues. This is how the excretion works out in all the living organisms. Thank you.